So after 15 years of messing with game wall boxes and 23 years since my first test, this is going to be my final test. This is the game wall box right here. It's actually going to be a Harrington Seaberg box. This is actually at Lakeview and Buffalo. It's right next to the Lakeview Cemetery, where my great-grandfather and grandmother are buried. So it's kind of nice. So we'll open up the box here. Check to make sure it's fully wound. And call for a test. Jamestown Fire, this is car 1. Are we clear for a box test? Helps if your radio's on. Jamestown Fire, this is car 1. Are we clear for a box test?
Car 1, you have clearance.
Box 523. Jamestown Fire, this is car 1. How did you receive this box?
Car 1, that was 523 Buffalo, Lakeview.
Jamestown Fire, car 1, 10-4. This completes box testing. This is a Harrington Seaberg made in Moline, Illinois, USA. We'll rewind it, push the shunt in, close the door with the key, make sure it's latched, and we're done. I think the boxes were a cheap deal. Gamewell bought out Harrington Seaberg at some point, I guess. It's possible that the city got those in the deal and just added them to their Gamewell system, but I don't know. I haven't seen any records. But yeah, so that's it. My last box test ever among my check-off list of last ever.